Welcome to Tech Explained. In today's video, we're taking an in-depth look at the top red dot optics for the Benelli M4. In this video, we review a range of red dot optics tested on the Benelli M4. Whether you're upgrading your M4 for defense, competition, or general shooting, there's an optic for every budget. Using a red dot sight on a shotgun offers key benefits like faster target acquisition, improved situational awareness, and greater accountability, especially in defensive situations where accuracy matters. Highlights tips: HoloSun EPS, a weatherproof full-size sight with a large field of view. Ideal for the M4. Easy mounting and quick battery access make it user-friendly. HoloSun 507C. Affordable and reliable. This optic features a 32 MOA circle dot perfect for those with astigmatism. It also offers auto-adjusting brightness for low-light use. CH Precision Acro. A budget-friendly alternative to the Aimpoint Acro, offering versatile mounting and a closed emitter design. Ideal for weather conditions. Oite, a new optic with a large window and rechargeable battery, but its design compromises lens durability. SRO, superior reflex optic. High-priced with separate reticle models, making it less practical for many shooters. S-Bull, a budget red dot with the largest field of view. Ideal for long guns and astigmatism users.